Stop letting heavy, bulky camera rigs weigh down your shirt collar, clutter your helmet, or draw unwanted attention while you're out capturing life. Welcome back. If you are ready to capture seamless, ultra-high-definition first-person content entirely hands-free, the i3 4K Thumb Action Camera Black is the ultimate mini filmmaking marvel of 2026. This isn't a traditional blocky action cam that requires a rigid harness. It is a masterclass in microengineering. The absolute showstopper feature of the i3 is its featherweight, thumb-sized footprint. Designed specifically to vanish into your daily attire, it breaks away from standard camera form factors, so you can mount it practically anywhere. Combined with the included heavy-duty magnetic spring clip, you can instantly snap it onto a shirt pocket, baseball cap brim, or backpack strap. It gives you true, immersive point of view, POV, perspectives without the physical strain or conspicuous profile of a giant camera strapped to your chest. What makes the i3 a definitive choice for 2026 vloggers, cyclists, and commuters is its surprising punch in visual fidelity and out-of-the-box readiness. Despite its miniature chassis, it captures crisp 4K resolution video, preserving vibrant colors and fine details whether you are cruising on a motorcycle, navigating bike lanes, or documenting a travel vlog. To ensure you don't have to go hunting for separate storage accessories, it arrives pre-packaged with a high-speed 64GB memory card, letting you unbox it and start recording right away. With its sleek stealth black finish and a simple, intuitive one-button recording interface, it makes capturing spontaneous life moments completely effortless. Click the link below for the best price and capture your world hands-free today. If this breakdown helped you find the ultimate micro-vlogging setup for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the ultra-portable gear that punches way above its weight class.
See you in the next one.